Glad to have you on Insider News proper. The 126th Ovala Aguleri Festival has once again accorded Ndi Aguleri, Ndi Igbo in general, and non-Nigerians alike the opportunity to witness the ancient Aguleri culture and traditions at their peak. Ngozi Aguleri of Insider News covered the event and now brings us the details.
The annual Ovala Aguleri Fiesta, which holds every first Saturday of the year, as usual, began with a pontifical Holy Mass at St. Joseph Catholic Cathedral, Aguleri, officiated by the Bishop of the Diocese, Most Reverend Dennis Isizo. At the Aguleri Square, where the main Ovala Fiesta took place, activities marking the event began with the appearance of maidens of chastity known as Ndem Owobo, followed by Nde Amangolo, after which the wife of the traditional law of Aguleri, Mrs. Mediatrix Idigo, entered the arena to welcome Nde Aguleri and their visitors, as she was flanked by royal daughters of the Idigo dynasty, Iyom and Umuada Umuala, wives of Aguleri cabinet chiefs, as well as Nde Yom Aguleri, as they danced to Iwa Okanga Aguleri tunes. This paved the way for the first outing of the paramount ruler and custodian of Aguleri culture, Igbo Michael Idigo, and members of his cabinet. In his Ovala address, Igbo Idigo explained that he themed the 126th Ovala Uovo because of the dynamic changes in information technology with the advent of artificial intelligence.
Ovala Aguleri, Amarama, Rabosu, Aromu, Onyano n'isi emume niile na-eme na Aguleri. Ọ na-achịkọta emume niile Aguleri na-eme ma na-ebidokwe the cycle of ceremonies. Agbacha Ovala kịta ebidokwa ọba.
The Commissioner for Culture, Tourism and Entertainment, Comrade Don Onyenji, who also graced the occasion, noted that Anambra State is blessed with rich culture and traditions, which usually come alive during the Christmas season, explaining that this was why Governor Chukwuma Soludo introduced Oma December with numerous activities, including Igbo Mangu, and congratulated Igbo Idigo on a successful outing.
Is celebrating Fala. And of course, they are exhibiting rich cultural heritage of Aguleri Kingdom, which is very, very interesting. Recognizing and giving chieftaincy recognition and title to two friends, two Anambra citizens. Chief Barrister Sly Ezokemwa, National Chairman of APGA.
The President General of Aguleri Town Union, Dr. Innocent Okonkwo, the Chairman of the 126th Ovala Planning Committee, Engineer Marcel Ivejovo, and the head of Ovala Media, Chief Amicho Akora, adjudged the event as the best so far, considering the quality of guests, sponsors, and the peaceful atmosphere throughout the Ovala period.
The best so far, because encourage people to also keep supporting the Ovala Festival of Aguleri. Well, Aguleri as ancestral home of Igbos, people come to learn from us, and this is the 126th Ovala Festival.
It's worth emulating. Others ought to come to learn how we have done it and sustained it for the entire 126 years.
The National Chairman of the All Progressives Grand Alliance, APGA, Barrister Sly Ezokemwa, was conferred with the chieftaincy title Otuluga Aguleri alongside a former Commissioner for Agriculture in Anambra State, Mr. Afamu Banefu, who received the chieftaincy title Ivedema Aguleri from Igbo Idigo. Aguleri community has remained one of the communities in Igbo land that vowed to continue to hand over their culture to future generations, as they believe that a people's culture leads them aright. From Aguleri Square, Aguleri, I am Ngozi Aguleri for ABS Insider News.